Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. In today's video, we will learn 20 new general knowledge multiple choice question and answer across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. What was the former name for Sri Lanka? Option A, Siam, B, Burma, C, Malaya, and D, Ceylon. The correct answer is Ceylon. The former name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. The name change to Sri Lanka occurred in 1972. This change was intended to reflect the country's identity and move away from its colonial past under British rule. Question number 2. In which country was Elon Musk born? Option A, Russia, B, South America, C, South Africa, and D, England. The correct answer is South Africa. Question number 3. Which country has the most number of active volcanoes in the world? A, West Indies, B, Mexico, C, Russia, and D, Indonesia. The correct answer is Indonesia. Indonesia holds the distinction of having the most active volcanoes globally, with approximately 130 active volcanoes. Its location along the Pacific Ring of Fire makes it particularly vulnerable to volcanic activity. Question number 4. Which country and its territories cover the most time zones? A, Germany, B, Greece, C, France, and D, Spain. The correct answer is France. France, including its overseas territories, has the most time zones, with a total 12. When including its count in Antarctica, this number increased to 13. Question number 5. Which African animal name means river horse? Option A, crocodile, B, rhinos, C, hippopotamus, and D, vulture. The correct answer is hippopotamus. The African animal name that means river horse is hippopotamus. The name hippopotamus comes from Greek word hippos, means horse, and the potamus river, literally translating to river horse. Question number 6. How many points in the pink ball worth in smookers? A, 4, B, 6, C, 5, and D, 7. The correct answer is 6. Question number 7. Which of the following Bollywood actors come from Indian Army families? Option A, Nimrat Kaur, B, Anisha Patel, C, Kiara Advani, and D, Kriti Sanon. The correct answer is Nimrat Kaur. Nimrat Kaur's father, Major Bhupinder Singh, was an army officer who made the ultimate sacrifice in 1994 when he was kidnapped and killed by terrorists in Kashmir. She was just 11 years at the time. His bravery left a lasting mark on Nirmata's life. Question number 8. What is the world's tallest type of tree? Option A, pine, B, cedar, C, spruce, and D, coast redwood. The correct answer is coast redwood. Coast redwoods, native to the coastal region of North California and the southern Oregon in the USA, can grow to heights exceeding 350 feet. The tallest non-living tree is a coast redwood named Hyperion, which measures about 380 feet. These trees are among the oldest and the tallest living organism on Earth. Question number 9. More than half of the breathable oxygen in the world comes from where? A. Forest, B. Ocean, C. Flowering plant, and D. Clouds. The correct answer is ocean. About half of the Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean. About the same amount of consumed by marine life. The surface layer of the ocean is teeming with photosynthetic plankton, though they are invisible to the naked eye. They produce more oxygen than the largest redwood. Question number 10. In which country Hooker Glacier is situated? A. Australia, B. New Zealand, C. USA, and D. Singapore. The correct answer is New Zealand. Question number 11. How many arms does a squid have? Option A 6, B 8, C 10, and D 12. The correct answer is 8. Question number 12. Rock cut architecture in Harappa culture contest has been found at Kalibangan, B. Dholavira, C. Kot Diji, and D. Amiri. The correct answer is Dholavira. Especially at Dholavira, 7 hemispheral construction, 2 of which were excavated in detail, were found built over a large rock-cut chambers. These structures, characterized by their circular plan and elevated mud brick construction, were prominent features of the site. Question number 30. The largest reserves of fresh water on the Earth's surface are in A. South America, B. North America, C. Africa, and D. Russia. The correct answer is North America. Question number 14. A copper chariot of Harappan times was discovered at A. Kuntal, B. Rakhigari, C. Daimabad, and D. Banawali. The correct answer is Daimabad. A copper chariot from Harappan times was discovered at Daimabad, a site in Maharashtra, India. Daimabad is a significant archaeological site known for its bronze object and for suggesting the presence of late Harappan culture in the Deccan Plateau. Question number 15. Annapurna is a mountain in which mountain range? A. Andes, B. Himalayas, C. Karakoram, and D. Satpura range. The correct answer is Himalayas. Annapurna is a part of the Annapurna Massif in north-central Nepal and is one of the highest peaks in the Himalayas, with Annapurna Eye standing at 8,091 meters. Question number 16. Which of these animals has the longest gestation period? A. Cat, B. Horse, C. Deer, and D. Elephant. The correct answer is elephant. The majestic elephant holds the record for the longest gestational period among land mammals, with pregnancies lasting approximately 22 months. This extended period is essential for the development of the elephant complex brain. Question number 17. Which of the following countries is known as Island of Cloves? A. Kenya, B. Bahamas, C. Indonesia, and D. Zanzibar. The correct answer is Zanzibar. Zanzibar earned the nickname Island of Cloves because it was once the world's largest producer and exporter of cloves. Clove trees were introduced to Zanzibar by the Omani Arabs in the early 19th century, and the spice quickly became the backbone of the island economy. Even today, cloves remain a significant export product. Question number 18. How many milk teeth do human beings typically have? A. 16, B. 20, C. 28, and D. 32. The correct answer is 20. Human beings typically have 20 milk teeth. These are also as a baby teeth or a primary teeth. These teeth loosen and fall out between the age of 6 to 10 years to give way to adult teeth. Question number 19. Which blood group is rare in the human body? Option A, O negative, B, AB positive, C, AB negative, and D, B positive. The correct answer is AB negative. The AB negative blood type is considered the rarest blood type in human population. According to the NHS blood donation, it is estimated to be present in only about 1% of the population. Question number 20. The organ which does not produce any digestive secretion is A. Liver, B. Stomach, C. Pancreas, and D. Kidney. The correct answer is kidney. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.